नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 31st May 2022. Welcome to my channel Tradeplan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. In this video, which is a monthly wrap video for Nifty, we will discuss about critical level for Nifty for the month of June. Try to identify the trend, and I will disclose my trade plan at the end of the video. So please be with me till the end of the video. So before we get into Lalaji, let's have a look into how the global markets are looking. So global market, specifically S&P 500, on a monthly chart is looking little down. On weekly it is also down, but on daily chart we see that S&P 500 is above 20 and above 8. So on daily chart S&P 500 is looking little strong. US government 10 bond yield is on daily chart has taken a support on 50 bar moving average and started moving up, but now somewhere caught between 20 bar and 50 bar. So this will create certain amount of volatility in the market till it goes above either 2.89 or below 2.755. So US government 10 bond yield as of now is in green and may not be a good sign. And I can see that this will have such impact on the volatility of our market or a global market. And US government 10 bond yield is started moving up on daily chart. So this will surely have an impact on Bank Nifty, and that we could clearly see on the chart of Bank Nifty. So if we see a chart of Bank Nifty on daily basis, we see in last 2 days a very strong reversal, and today it is closed below 50 bar moving average. Although on monthly chart it is in uptrend, and on weekly chart it is still looking very weak. And HDFC Bank is almost showing the similar pattern. So if you see here, HDFC Bank on daily chart has shown a strong reversal and taken a resistance on 50 bar moving average, but still above 20 and 8. So 1333 could act as a very good support for HDFC Bank. But so let's see how it goes. The one thing which is holding our cards is Reliance. So Reliance is at a very critical juncture where all the critical moving averages are almost meeting with each other, and it is still above all of them. So 2555 is a critical support for Reliance. If Reliance breaks 2555, then definitely market will not hold up, because Bank Nifty is already looking weak. Reliance will further drag the market down. So with that in background, let's have a look into Lalaji. So now when we look into Lalaji on monthly chart, we see that Lalaji on monthly chart is in definitely an uptrend, and last few months nothing much is happening. We are trending in a very bigger zone of 15,900 to almost 17,800, but in uptrend. On weekly chart we see that it has closed below all the moving average, so it is in downtrend. And on daily chart we see that it is closed above 20 and above 8, so in uptrend. So now for this month, that is month of June, the pivot is at 16,484, and the good support will come at 16,200, which is combination of weekly pivot, weekly L3 and monthly L3. So 16,200 is a very good support. Also we see a 20 bar moving average coming here. If 16,200 is broken, then the next support will come at 15,977, and if 15,977 is gone, then the next level is 15,900, 15,820, and 15,740, which is my black magical line. On upside, now market will have a very strong resistance at 16,520, because it looks like that market may open tomorrow below 16,484. So 16,520 will act as a very strong resistance, and above that 16,585 and 16,633 are the good resistance zone. Now for 15-minute chart, when we see today market has closed below all the critical moving average, which is 20, 50 and 8. So here definitely market is in downtrend. And when we look into CPR, we see that tomorrow's CPR is slightly below today's CPR zone. So this also shows sign of weakness. Both super trail indicator has turned bearish, but on daily chart, super trail indicator is still showing positive with a strong support at 16360. So for tomorrow, CPR is very tight, so it could be a trending day. And when I look into SGX, currently SGX is at 16502. So it's somewhere hovering between 16480 and 16500 as of now, but definitely below pivot, which is at 16,599. 16,599. So for tomorrow, idea is sell on rise in the zone of 16,520 to pivot, which is at 16,599, with a stop loss just above either pivot, and if you want to take a little bit more risk, 16,633. So this could be a good zone to sell on rise. That is 16,520 to 16,599. Look for a reversal pattern and go for a short for a first target of 16,360. And if 16,360 is broken, then one can carry the position for a target of 16,200. So it looks like that Bank Nifty is looking very weak, and if Reliance starts weakening, then 16,200 is on the card. So for tomorrow, trade plan is sell on rise between 16,518 and 16,599. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.